The house that I want to buy, the listing says that it's part of an HOA community. I've heard a lot of negative things about HOA communities. What are the pros and cons about living in an HOA community? Hello again, this is real estate broker Daryl Williams with Win-Win Realtors here in Southern California. If you are new here and you like our content, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get started. Condominium communities and some single-family home communities have mandatory homeowners association membership. If you own a home in a particular community that's governed by the homeowners association, you will have to pay homeowners association fees monthly. A homeowners association is a group of residents who volunteer their time in order to protect, enhance, and maintain the value of the units or homes in that community. The homeowners association sets rules and enforces the CC&Rs in order to maintain the community. Approximately 30% of all Americans live in communities with HOAs. 35% of Californians live in communities with HOAs. The following are the most popular pros and cons of living in a community managed by an HOA. Let's start with the pros. Properties that are part of an HOA community are, on average, 5 to 6% more valuable than properties that are close by that are not part of that HOA. Another pro, you have someone to take care of all of the outside maintenance for you, including all of the amenities. You have someone taking care of the landscaping, the gardening, the maintenance, the painting, the roofing, the repairs of the roads, etc. Another big pro is some communities have lots of activities available for their residents. They have walking trails, they have gyms, they have tennis courts, they have more than one swimming pool. Now, let's take a look at some of the popular cons of being part of a homeowners association or living in a community that's managed by a homeowners association. Most, if not all, of the homeowners association communities have what we call CC&Rs here in the state of California: covenants, conditions, and restrictions. Another common con of being part of a homeowners association is homeowners association fees are expensive. Another con about living in a homeowners association community is it's possible that the homeowners association is poorly run. And as a result, the community deteriorates, and so does the value of your home. Question of the day: have you ever lived in a community that was managed by a homeowners association? If so, what was your experience like? Was it negative or positive? Let us know in the comments below. The number of people who are expected to live in homeowners association communities are increasing in this country. So what's important for you to understand that if you are buying in a homeowners association community, you have the right to know the health and the rules governing that community before you buy. If you know someone who will find this content useful, please share it with them. This is Win Win Realtors TV. I'm Daryl Williams. I'll see you next time.